Construction continues at Spotify Camp Nou on a beautiful day with perfect weather conditions. Filming begins from the rooftop terrace, where SLAT installation work is currently active. Please like the video and subscribe for more updates. Starting from the rooftop terrace, south goal SLAT installation shows active progress. Yesterday, the lower row required one final SLAT. Today, crews have advanced to the next level up. Counting reveals 12 slats already positioned, with the 13th currently being lifted. This will be the last slat on this side temporarily, with approximately 17 total slats remaining for this sector. Multiple platforms operate on the exterior checking anchors, with apparent complications requiring continuous review and tightening work. Substantial slat quantities stage on the diamond rooftop ready for installations. The first cantilever level shows workers carrying scaffolding components, while insulation material remains visible. The second cantilever level shows compression ring pillars with upper sections now enclosed in formwork. Multiple platforms operate throughout with substantial worker presence. Prefabricated seating lifts into the south goal opening gap. The newly installed ceramic slat from rooftop perspective now appears nearly complete. Major activity develops at Lateral. A Falange component shows chains attached from crane, suggesting imminent lifting operations. Substantial crew presence surrounds this zone, indicating preparation for installation. After extended waiting and chain inspection, some issue requires resolution before installation can proceed. All indications suggest completion today, though timing remains uncertain. The Masia corner shows grading equipment with excavator positioned for ongoing work. North goal corner elevator structures show workers operating with welding and hammering visible. Central north goal shows metal strip installations in forjado sections, with welding operations behind hydraulic pistons. Major development at Tribuna corner. New slat support brackets now appear in bracket zones. 2 brackets position in upper sections, with 1 additional bracket in left mid-zone. Metal mounting strips also appear on pillars ready for connections. A platform elevates while workers remove provisional steel framework. The cafeteria diamond shows renewed activity, with door frame installation appearing imminent. Tribuna shows cleaned glass and new sandwich panels now installing on front structure section. Multiple workers operate with platforms throughout. Upper zones show anchor bolt painting with white anti-corrosive treatment on central Tribuna brackets. A concrete pump positions in upper zones. The corner shows more activity than diamond zone, with multiple platforms and cranes positioned. The south goal seating gap remains visible. The upcoming 2-week international break provides excellent opportunity for completion. That wraps today's Camp Nou update. I hope you enjoyed today's update. Please like the video and subscribe for daily updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.